Hello, this is exercise 5 of networking, routing through drip version 1. So in this exercise we have used this given topology. We have two PCs and four routers. There are two switches which are connected to the PC. So in the first PC I have given the IP address of 192.168.1.1 and its corresponding subnet mask. In the second PC I have given the IP address as 192.168.6.1 and its corresponding subnet mask. Now to configure the router I've used the following commands which are given here. To configure this interface I have given as enable, then the config terminal command, and I have chosen the interface for example int fa0/0, which is this interface of this router. Then I have given the command as IP address, then the IP address that I want and its subnet mask. And if there is a clock symbol in the router, then I have given the command as clock rate 64,000, then no shutdown. Similarly, I have given the assigned IP addresses to all the three interfaces of these routers. So the all the interfaces of these routers, and the second router has two interfaces, and the third also has two interfaces, and the fourth one has again three interfaces. So I have assigned all the IP addresses to the router using these commands. Next, to connect this router to all the three other routers, I have to manually route it with the command router rip. Once I give the command router rip, then I have to give the command network, then the IP address of the three interfaces which is connected, but with its last digit as 0, which is, for example, here we can see that this router is connected to three interfaces, that is FA0/0, FA1/0 and SE2/0. So it is 192.168.1.254, 2.1 and 3.1. So I have given as 192.168.1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Similarly, here we can see the second router is connected to two serial interfaces, that is 2.2 and 5.1. There I will give the command as 192.168.2.0 and .5.0. Similarly, I will configure these two routers as the above process. Once all this is done, we can say that a topology is configured. So let's check by pinging it from one PC to another. Sorry, I'll ping 192.168.6.1. So here we can see we are sending 4 packets to the PC and we have received 4 packets, so there is no loss. So our topology is correct, and hence our drip version is our routing using drip version is correct. Thank you.